Hi guys, welcome to our creative designer world. Today I will explain to how to use Artboard in Photoshop CC. First of all, you see welcome screen of Photoshop. We make a one simple layout that I will explain you how to work Artboard. We make a one shape that size is not actually set, and then after add gradient color. I will take Artboard tool and then draw a, you see, new artboard was already created. We saw all the property of artboard, then after individually set size of artboard. We create a second artboard. You see, press Command T and copy artboard. We increase or decrease the size of artboards manually or any manually or our as requirement. You see, we take a three artboard and three shape you see in a video. Then I will select all three artboard and quick export as PNG. Then we create a simple folder in desktop. You see, directly I will take PNG file in a different size and shape in a one screen. Then after more features, you see, I will use a round tool shape to create. We change some color red. Okay. You see, if we require a background, then we change background color transparent as our requirement. We require some PNG file, then directly quick export to PNG and export your file as per your requirement. Artboard is not compulsory to convert your file to JPG or not removable background. Then after, I will explain Artboard one new features you see in the video. First of all, you see, I will only create one PNG file and you see a round shape is created to PNG. If require more than one, then you see how to do it. Press Command Alt T. If we select Artboard and then after going to quick export as PNG, then full of Artboard is directly convert to PNG file. It's very easy and very important tool.